What's the meaning of bioethics? Bioethics. Bioethics.
Bioethics. Bioethics. Bioethics is a field of study that explores the ethical, legal, and social implications of advances in biology and medicine. It examines how new technologies, medical procedures, and scientific discoveries can affect our lives, our relationships, and our society as a whole. Bioethics seeks to promote ethical and responsible decision-making in healthcare, research, and other areas of biotechnology by applying fundamental principles such as autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice. It encompasses a wide range of issues, from end-of-life care and reproductive rights to genetic engineering and animal experimentation. Ultimately, bioethics strives to balance progress and innovation with respect for human dignity and the common good.